Derby premium blades. Never tried these before. Last few videos was a Wilkinson sword blade. Did very much like those. I've got to say that's probably my top 5 blades right now. Put some water on my face here. So we're going to work with Katie's Bubbles today. It does a great job at producing, that's a little wet, at producing a quick lather for me. And the methanol I do like. Seems to help soften up my hairs a little bit better. So I'm digging that. Let me put some more of this on. All right, we're gonna call that good. Here's with the Derby blade, Rockwell 6C R6 first pass. Excellent feel. Like it. Wow, this blade feels really good too. Wow. Okay, underneath with the green. Okay. Wow, that's pretty good.
Thank you. I do my best to keep you entertained.
She's always listening. Wow, I gotta tell you what. That first pass. Cheeks are good. I'm just gonna hit down here on the bottom. One hell of a blade on this razor. Wow. Nice. All right, so let me just go over down here. I'm gonna go against the grain and I'm gonna use the 6 plate. Why not? Shit. Let's get this done. Okay. All right. Man, I gotta tell you what. That Katie's Bubbles and that Derby blade. Wow. Great. Great setup. Yeah, pretty much no stinging whatsoever. I can see a little bit of hair left down in there. But, you know, after about 20 minutes, that hair's going to go back in and it'll be fine. But damn near 1 pass shave. Number 6 plate. Derby premium blade. Wow. Great, great setup there. Man, that was a really good shave. Nice and quick too. I needed that. some Nivea. I know a lot of you guys use this as well. I like it too. I've got some other stuff, especially in the summer. I'll put different products on my head and face, and that's more for the sun, you know what I mean? Not for shaving. All right. Well, I gotta say, that Derby premium blade first shave was really good. I'm impressed with it. Number 6 blade, I mean, can you answer anything better? I don't think so. I mean, tell me what you think. Comment below. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.